Hello Snippers, in this video I will explain how you can do spam on the iPhone by using one single app on all the application in your iPhone in the most easiest way. And I will show you my live spamming to my friend. So please watch till end. So let's begin. Firstly, go to iPhone store. Now simple, download this keyboard, paste keyboard and install it. Open this app. Now click on don't allow, first option. Now click on this. Now click on the allow. Now simple, click on the plus icon. Now enter the word that you want to spam. Simply I will enter here hello. Now I will tell you how this keyboard apply in your app. Simply go to setting option. Now click on the general tab. Now click on the keyboard. Again click on the keyboard. Now select the paste keyboard. Just do this. Now go back to WhatsApp on any friend account. Now simply select the keyboard and click on the word that you want to spam. Now again click on this button and you can do spam like this. Okay friends, like this you can do spam unlimited times. If you like my video, so click on like, subscribe and click on the bell icon, and please comment your feedback in comment section. Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanity.